Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can obtain the Sakura Tokyo Valorant player card on Twitch. So you only have like around 4 hours left-ish, depending on when I upload this, because I do have to watch an hour of it first. I just found out like a few minutes ago. So basically, you're going to go to Twitch, go to notifications, and hopefully you have this fresh drop for Valorant detected. And then it says watch to redeem. Go to participating live channel, including these channels, and watch for 1 hour and claim the reward. So I'm just going to select a live channel that is participating right now, and it says watch to earn drops. So you're just going to watch it for an hour, and I'll be right back once I'm done watching, and I'll claim it and I'll show you guys what the card looks like. I also want to mention that you can view your progress bar here. So just go to Notifs and open link a new tab here and go to your inventory and you'll see the progress bar. Right now I'm on 5%, so 95% more. Okay, once you're done, you'll get a notification like this. So to get your loot, claim your drop, I'm just going to go to the inventory page and then I'm just going to select claim now here and I'll have it on my Valorant account. Okay, log into your Valorant account, then go to collection and go to player cards and you'll find it here. Here it is. Wait, where is it? Press equip and there it is. So beautiful. I think it's one of the most beautiful player cards in Valorant, in my opinion. Okay, we don't have to have the same opinion, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!